Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study accountancy in Class 11. Let's dive into building a strong foundation. Begin by grasping core accounting terms and concepts, like assets and liabilities. Next, truly understand the accounting equation, as it's the bedrock of all financial reporting. Finally, dedicate time to practicing journal entries consistently. This skill is crucial for recording transactions correctly. Now, let's master the core principles. It's essential to learn the rules of debit and credit inside out, as they dictate how every transaction is recorded. Then, focus on preparing ledgers from your journal entries and subsequently creating accurate trial balances. The best way to solidify this knowledge is to solve practical problems every single day. Consistent practice makes perfect. Moving on to understanding financial reports. You need to grasp the purpose and importance of financial statements, which tell a company's story. Dedicate time to practicing the preparation of profit and loss accounts, also known as income statements, to show profitability. Equally important is learning to create balance sheets accurately, providing a snapshot of financial position at a specific point in time. For exam success, consistent revision is key. Make sure to review all chapters weekly to reinforce your learning and prevent information overload. Solving previous year's question papers will familiarize you with exam patterns and common question types, boosting your confidence. And hey, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals to help you study better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.